A proton moves east with the speed of 5 times 10 to the power of 6 meters per second in a magnetic field of 1 times 10 to the power of negative 4 Tesla directed into the page. What is the magnitude of the magnetic force acting on the proton? So here the velocity is given, which is 5 times 10 to the power of 6 meters per second. B is given, which is 1 times 10 to the power of negative 4 Tesla. And the charge, because it's proton, we know the charge of proton is 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19 Coulomb. And they are perpendicular, so theta is 90. Formula for finding magnetic field is B V Q sine theta. That will be 1 times 10 to the power of negative 4. V is 5 times 10 to the power of 6. Q is 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19. Sine 90 is 1. When you multiply all of them, that's going to be 8 times 10 to the power of negative 17 Newton. That's the magnitude of the magnetic force.